Okay, now right after my, the Liberty Statue visit, so I'm just gonna go towards the Chinatown. Here I see the JP Morgan and
This is Chinatown
this is the Chinatown, beautiful
York.
place in New York City.
Chinatown.
Look at this place, it's wow, beautiful, beautiful. You can
This is
see that's
Chinese
beautiful.
town.
There's a lot of people from China. They're selling gold, diamond, and their clothes and jewelries, and they've got a lot of fruits and fruits as well. This is a beautiful market, and everything is written in Chinese as well as in English as well.
Sorry.
Okay, look at those places, beautiful, beautiful. Now look at this, grocery stores. Look at those people selling fruits. This is completely in Chinatown. A lot of people are Chinese. They actually don't speak English even. So, and now right after this, I'm gonna go to Trump Tower, and I will be showing more about Trump Tower. But yeah, so this is how the Chinatown looks like, and there's also a festival, especially during the New Year of China New Year. So you'll see people coming and dancing here. I didn't do any specific thing here, but I just wanted to explore, and I wanted to see. That's all it's about. So thank you very much for this time, and I will see you at Trump Tower, which is very popular. I got a rush now. Let's go to Trump Tower, and yeah, let's go. And on the way, so I'll be just filming a little bit, and let's go ahead and just see that. This is
Hello.